In this video presentation, we shall discuss about fundamental Java operators. So we shall start with the term operation. An operation is an action performed on one or more values, either to modify the value held by one or both of the values, or to produce a new value by combining existing values. Therefore, an operation is performed using at least one symbol and at least one value. The symbol used in an operation is called an operator. A value involved in an operation is called an operand. For example, we are writing C equals to A plus 5. So plus is the operator, A and 5 are operands. We have unary operators and binary operators. A unary operator is an operator that performs its operation on only one operand. An operator is referred to as binary if it operates on two operands. Regarding the unary operator and the binary operator, we shall have greater discussion in the coming video lesson. Next we have the semicolon. Why the semicolons are used in a Java program? What is the purpose of using the semicolon? The semicolon is used to indicate the end of an expression, a declaration, or a statement. As we will learn in other sections that there are other uses of the semicolon. So what is an expression, what is a declaration, or what is a statement, that we shall cover in the coming lesson. Now we have the curly brackets, or the curly braces we call. Curly brackets are used to create a section of code. As such, they are required to delimit the bodies of classes and other statements, such as conditional statements. Curly brackets are also used to create variable scope. Parentheses, these symbols are used. Parentheses, like most computer languages, Java uses parentheses to isolate a group of items that must be considered as belonging to one entity. For example, parentheses are used to differentiate a method such as main from a regular variable. Here is an example. We have written here main, then parentheses. It's a main method. Then we have square brackets. Square brackets are mostly used to control the dimension or index of an array. We will learn how to use them when we study arrays. So here is an example: public class exercise, then public static void main string, then we have enclosed here we have put here the brackets and then args and so on. Next we have the comma operator. The comma is used to separate variables used in a group. For example, a comma can be used to delimit the names of variables that are declared within the same data type. Here in this example, what we have done is we have declared three variables: first name, last name, full name, and the data type of all the variables is string. If we don't use the comma operator, then we would have to use string first name, then semicolon, then again the string second last name, semicolon, then string full name, semicolon. So three variables are declared in a single statement by using the comma operator. Next we have assignment operator. As the name implies, it is used to assign some values to a variable. When you declare a variable, we know that a memory space is reserved for it. The memory space is filled with garbage, that is undefined values. To put a value in the memory space allocated to a variable, we can use the assignment operator represented as equal to. Based on this, the assignment operation gives a value to a variable. Its formula or the syntax is variable name equals to value. For example, we have declared a salary variable of data type double, and we are assigning 12.55 to salary. Here we have to make it sure that to the left side of the assignment operator there will always be a variable. We cannot write 12.55 equal to salary. Mathematically that may be correct, but in Java programming language we have to assign the value to a variable by writing the variable to the left of the equal to operator. Next we have single quotes. The single quote is used to include one character to initialize or assign a symbol to a variable declared as char character. A single quote is usually combined with another single quote and a character can be included between them. For example, character gender. So gender is a variable of data type character and we are assigning a single character here. We cannot assign multiple characters. If we assign multiple characters, then it would be a string. So we have to use single quotes, and within the single quotes we can assign the single character to the specified variable. Then we have double quotes. The double quote is used to delimit a string. As mentioned for the single quote, the double quote is usually combined with another double quote. Between the combination of the double quotes, we can include an empty space, a character, a word, or a group of words, making it a string. That is the definition of the string. Basically, string is an empty space, a character, a word, or a group of words that we call a string. For example, we have declared a message variable of data type string, and we are assigning welcome to the wonderful world of Java. This is a string and that is enclosed or put in double quotes, and that is being assigned to the message variable. So if we we can print it with the help of the print statement, system.out.print message. One more example, we can assign customer name, which is a variable of type string, and we are assigning Rahul Pandey in the variable. So this is a string and it is to be enclosed within the double quotes. And one more variable, home phone, that is again a variable of data type string, and we are assigning the home phone number within these double quotes. So in the next lesson we shall discuss about more Java operators.